Hi dear Trashidalik. So last time Guru Vajradhara addressed that the most of the problem in this world is because of actually five kinds of uh, poisons, but among them most of the problem is because of jealousy. And then he also said jealousy will not arise to those who are not close to you. It only arises those who are close to you. And how we know the jealousy is, and the person is greater, doing greater than you, then it becomes the source of your suffering. And then mistakenly that person is doing some making some mistakes, then it becomes your the source of your happiness. So that is the symptom of the jealousy, the negative emotions. So so try to recognize how jealous you are, then try to prevent not to have that kind of emotions, and the most of the problem will be solved. That's how Guru Vajradhara address, and it's very important for us. Thank you.